Every time you place a trade on a perp DEX, you are trusting that your browser is honest. If anything in that chain is compromised, a malicious script, a DNS attack, a tampered front end, you have no way to know. You just click confirm and hope. We built Pacifica Sigil to make that trust unnecessary. Sigil is a trusted signing layer built directly on top of Pacifica's perpetuals infrastructure. It sits between your browser and Pacifica. The browser cannot lie to it. The payload travels to the device. The device independently decodes it and shows you the real parameters on its own screen, not the browser's screen. Symbol, amount, notional value, liquidation price, and the builder code Sigil001 embedded in the order. You press confirm. The device runs Pacifica's exact signing algorithm, sort all JSON keys recursively, compact serialize, UTF-8 encode, ED25519 sign, base 58 encode, and returns a valid signature. The order goes to Pacifica testnet with the builder code attached. Watch the countdown. The browser is preparing a tampered payload. It is going to flip the trade direction from long toe short and multiply the size by 50. Look at the screen. The browser panel on the left still shows your original order. Long BTC, $500. But the device screen shows what was actually sent. Short BTC, $25,000. The device caught the mismatch. It is showing you the real payload, not the fake one. You press reject. The device shakes. The attack is blocked. Your funds are safe. This is not a hypothetical scenario. This is exactly how the Bybit attack worked. We just demonstrated it live. Sigil is not just a signing device. It is a 5-page application built entirely on Pacifica's API. The positions page connects to any Pacifica wallet and shows live account equity, unrealized P&L, margin ratio, open positions, and funding payment history. It auto-refreshes every 15 seconds. The analytics page pulls all 75 Pacifica markets and shows live funding rates. Pacifica charges funding every hour, 24 times a day versus 3 times on most exchanges. This cost calculator shows you the true all-in cost of holding a leverage position. On SOL right now, the funding rate is negative 2.9% per day. That means a long position is losing nearly 3% of its notional value every single day just from funding, before price moves at all. The builder page manages the Sigil01 builder code. Every order signed through Sigil carries this code. Pacifica's builder program pays fees on every routed order. This page also has the 3-step approval flow, so any user can authorize Sigil01 on their account without leaving the app. The backend is Python using the solder's library for real ED25519 signing. The signing algorithm is Pacifica's exact specification. We implemented it from the official docs and verified it against the Python SDK. The signature is valid. Pacifica receives it. The only reason the testnet order doesn't execute is that the demo wallet has not pre-approved the builder code yet, which is a one-time on-chain step. The front end is vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No build tools, no framework. It runs with a single command. The device mockup is pure CSS with a scanline effect, side buttons, and a live sparkline chart of the current price. The 3.js background is a particle field that runs at 60 frames per second. We use 7 Pacifica API endpoints: market info, account data, positions, funding history, builder leaderboard, builder trade history, and order submission. Pacifica is not optional in this product. It is the entire foundation. Sigil is DeFi composability in the most literal sense. We took Pacifica's signing protocol, their builder program, their market data, and their order API, and we built a security primitive on top of it that makes every other Pacifica front end safer. The next step is a physical ESP32 S3 device with the firmware. Flashed. The browser connects over USB via Web Serial API. The private key never leaves the hardware. That is the product.